Hey friend, welcome to the Badass is the New Black podcast, where our motto is done is better than perfect. I'm Chrissy Chin, here on a mission to help you grow your business online, turn your leads into lifelong customers, and scale to six figures and beyond so you can work less and enjoy and earn a whole lot more. Most importantly, I'm a laid-back wife, a mom, a friend who started as a peds nurse, turned network marketer, and now a serial entrepreneur. This podcast is for ambitious people with an idea, a vision, but no idea how to get there. On this podcast, I'll give actionable steps to keep you moving forward while you learn new business strategies, better systems and processes, marketing, sales, all the things you need to build and scale a blissful business that keeps your pocketbooks growing. Grab a beverage, open up your notes app, and let's get to it. Welcome to season number 5, episode 6, 5 tips for using YouTube to grow your online business. If you didn't know, YouTube is incredibly powerful to use to promote your business. And I want to give you 5 tips to help you get started and give you a little bit more insight to decide if this is for you. Before we dive in, if you're watching this episode on YouTube, I would love for you to tell me in the comments of this video if you have a YouTube channel already. And if you do, please share your YouTube link with us and then we can come check you out, okay? Can't wait to see below who's got a channel and come see your channel. So number 1, creating content that your viewer will be excited to engage with and that will teach them something valuable. So when you're promoting your business on YouTube, it's really important to create content that is both engaging and informative. And note, I just did something engaging with you. Hopefully you're taking me up on it and sharing your YouTube link with me so I can check it out. So I'm getting you to engage with the video. So in your videos, make sure that you're engaging. Talk to the people on the other side. Ask them to put comments below or share something with you or ask questions. And then to have it be informative. Of course, they are on YouTube and we'll get to this looking for answers. So you want the information that you're sharing to be informative. This might include videos of you showing them how to use your product if you're a product-based business, or if you're an affiliate to a platform, maybe you're giving some tutorials on the platform and sharing your affiliate link. Or if you are a service-based business, maybe you're teaching them some tips around what you like to talk about, or some messaging around what you like, what your whole brand is about to kind of draw them in. Just something that informs them that maybe they're videos that inform them that they have a problem. Okay, sometimes people don't really know that they have a problem, and if you're giving them the solution to that, they need to know that. So maybe it's a video around that. There's lots of different options and lots of different videos that you can create. But be sure to include, in addition, testimonials from your long list of happy customers, so you can plug those in there. You can use this as a place to repurpose content as well. I put my podcast episodes on YouTube. So if you listen to these episodes there, you're witnessing some repurposed content, which is amazing. Basically being able to put it on that platform, because some people don't listen to podcasts through a podcasting app. They're really just spend most of their time on YouTube. And so this is a way for me to connect with the people that are there. So you can do the same. And then by providing the valuable information, you're helping your viewers get to know you and drawing them in further to lead them to move on with you. This is really great also because YouTube is really evergreen content. While you could be talking about something that is very like in the moment in this time, maybe you're speaking about something that's controversial happening in this moment to get some attention and drive some traffic, but really it's evergreen content and the viewers keep coming and watching, and it just builds and builds. So it's just a great opportunity, unlike social media where it kind of gets posted and then buried. YouTube, people are always searching and your content can continuously be popping up. So we're on season 5. I've got 4 other seasons on YouTube that people can be accessing, which is really cool. Number 2, optimize your videos for search. So YouTube really is a search engine, just like Google is. And it's a very popular one, I would say. So it's extremely important to optimize your videos so that they are really easy to find. So this means including relevant keywords in your video titles and in your descriptions and your tags. So think about what word or phrase your target audience is putting in the search bar and create content that answers those questions that they're having. Again, they're searching for the answer. I'm always searching. Like, how do I replace this sink faucet? How do I, so far they've been home improvement ones lately, but I'm also looking, searching for business things as well. Or if you're in the wellness industry, maybe someone's searching for, how do I, what foods are good to promote liver health or something, or, they might search something around that. So people are always putting in questions there. Think about what kind of questions they're asking and make sure that, again, keywords and phrases are in your title, description, and tags. And then additionally, make sure to include your link to a freebie. Talk about it in the video, put it in the description so that it can easily be found and clicked on, so that they can go over to your website and we can get them on your email list. Okay, we want to, yes, drive traffic so that they can watch videos on YouTube, but we want to get them on your email list. And so if you don't have a website and you want one, you can check out our Done For You services. We have a program coming up if you want to DIY it. So keep listening over the next few weeks. We'll be releasing more information about that program that is coming back. So we're really excited about that. Anyway, the Done For You services are at thechrissychin.com, and we'll link that in the description on YouTube and in the show notes. All right. I actually have a quick story before we move on to the third one. I experienced this, a customer coming and finding me from YouTube. She had booked a Done For You services call to talk about revamping her website, doing some new branding and some new copy. And I asked her because I knew she wasn't in the Grow Workspace community. And I said, how did you find me? How did you hear about me? I'm always curious. And she had said, actually, I was searching on YouTube for how to use Kajabi, and one of your videos popped up. And so that's how I initially found you. So again, she was searching for how to use a platform. And because we're affiliates with Kajabi, I have some videos on it. She found it. She's been following me. She saw our Done For You services and booked a call. So that's just an example of kind of how it unfolds and happens. And I created those videos probably 2 years ago. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about evergreen content. It lives there and it will continuously drive traffic. All right, so the next one, collaborate with other experts in your space. So one great way to promote on YouTube is to collaborate with other creators who have a similar niche as you, a similar target audience as you. Maybe it's a complementary thing. Like, I love collaborating with mindset coaches and life coaches, that speak to an entrepreneurial audience. So if their audience seems like it's a good fit for you and that your ideal customer would be in their audience, then they'd be a great person to connect with. It might include doing a video together or cross-promoting each other's channels by sharing their content, or just by working together, and you can reach a larger audience and build that sense of community around your growing audience. All right, the next one, use social media to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. So in addition to creating great content, it's important to use social media to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Get people from one platform to move over where there's more long form content over there. So share your videos on your platforms like Facebook and on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, wherever you're hanging out and your ideal customers are hanging out. If you want to grow your YouTube audience and you're creating videos there, drive traffic to it. Include the link to your YouTube channel in your bio, or if you have a links page, put it on there. If you, on your email signature, you can put your social icons and put your YouTube channel there so that it can link right up to it. This is going to help you, again, reach your wider audience and bring more viewers to your videos. And the more views and engagement your videos get, the more the search engine will recognize your content and send new people to your page. All right, and then the last one is engage with your viewers. So one of the most important things that you can do to promote your business on YouTube is to engage with the people that are here watching, responding to comments and messages, asking for feedback, encouraging viewers to share their own experiences with your products or your services. So if any of you are watching and listening and you have personally been through one of our programs or you've done for you services, like leave us a little testimonial in the comments so other people can see your experience with us. That would be incredibly helpful for us. Or if you're listening on the podcast, you can go leave a little review. That would be great too. But by building these relationships with your viewers, responding to their comments, answering their questions over on YouTube, you really create this sense of community around your business and you deepen that connection and that allows you to build trust. So I use the YouTube Studio app. Just go to the App Store and it's YouTube Studio. And that is a really easy app for me to get analytics on my page. It's really easy for me to respond to comments. So there's a little tab at the bottom that says comments, and it will just pop up all the comments on any videos. And then I can respond right there. So I don't have to go searching through old videos, see like, I wonder what videos have been commented on. It's just a really easy app to use. So I highly recommend getting that app to be able to take a look at your analytics and connect with your audience. So those are the top 5. I do have a free gift for you. As always, I've got something free. So if you're ready to launch your business and make a profit in the next 3 weeks, I would love for you to head over to thechrisychin.com/profit and grab my free Turn Your Knowledge into Profit guide. So not only am I helping you get clarity on your offer, if you haven't launched an offer yet, or you've got an offer and you're like, I don't know about it, we're going to go through an exercise and I'm going to help you get clarity to make sure that this is the perfect offer for you, that it's completely aligned with you, that it's going to be something that's going to stand the test of time, and you're going to want to use ongoing. And then I'm also going to show you how to launch in the next 3 weeks. And you're not going to have to spend 5 hours, 10 hours a week. I mean, this is doing very minimal, less than 30 minutes a day during the week to be able to launch in the next 3 weeks so you can start making money ASAP. So if you want that guide, go to thechrisychin.com/profit, and it will be there waiting for you. Thanks for tuning in. Again, if you enjoyed this episode, go ahead and leave a comment below, leave a review on the podcast, super helpful, and go ahead and take some imperfect action before we meet again next week. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you got some value out of this episode, I would love some support. And the best way to do that so I can keep showering you with loads of actionable tips is to hit that subscribe button. Leave a review or a comment if you're on YouTube and share this podcast with a friend. And when you share it with a friend on social, please tag me so I can reshare your share in my stories. It's been an absolute pleasure hanging out. I appreciate the heck out of you for showing up. And now it's time for you to take imperfect action so you can work less and enjoy and earn a whole lot more.